Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq eked out record closing highs, although investors were cautious ahead of this week's consumer prices report, a Federal Reserve policy announcement, and Apple's developer conference. Digital asset investment products started positively in June, with almost all providers seeing inflows and recording an overall inflow of $2 billion. CoinShares published its weekly fund flows report, highlighting that crypto investment products gathered over $2 billion in inflows. Oil prices climbed about 3% to a one-week high on Monday, buoyed by hopes of rising fuel demand this summer, despite a stronger US dollar and expectations the US Federal Reserve will leave interest rates higher for longer.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's producer price index will be released at 23:50 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT, the UK's employment change at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.